Reason number 708 of why UTEP is redefining higher education. Brenda oversees the general chemistry lab over at UTEP. She loves chemistry, but do her students?
I had taken chemistry before, but in high school, and I never really liked it because I didn't understand it very much.
Well, that's a bummer. What do you think the problem is, Brenda?
I have seen in the student that they have some kind of anxiety when they enter into the labs.
Sounds like they need a little more confidence.
They want to know what kind of hazards the labs present, what kind of calculation they were going to face. They want to be prepared in advance.
Don't we all? Luckily, Brenda had the great idea of creating a series of how-to videos to help them gain confidence before even entering the lab. How'd you get started?
In order to prepare the videos, I have to make a team. I gathered some wonderful grad students from chemistry department and from environmental and health department. Together, we made first a script to know what to say during the filming process.
Angie was one of those wonderful grad students. Tell us about your experience.
My involvement basically was to teach and guide students throughout the experiments. I was already in the shoes of some of my students, so I tried to use kind of the opposite side of me being a student as well, feeling this way, and also being a teacher. This type of feeling helped me to kind of realize that I need to explain better to actually get them a feeling that it's an exploring experience.
Exploring experience? That sounds fun. But did the videos actually work?
I felt more confident going into the labs after seeing the videos.
Bingo!
After the videos, they have obtained a much better grade. Whenever the learning process is fun, it's more likely that the students are going to be engaged and they feel more motivated to want to study chemistry.
Now I want to study chemistry too. What a great tool for engagement.
I really feel like this learning tool should be taken for everybody in the future, so no student can feel alone anymore.
The way Professor Torres taught the class and made all those resources available made it very easy for me, and I wish more professors would do things like this.
Brenda Torres, Redefining Education at UTEP. How are you being innovative in your classroom? Make sure to let us know.